More sum on median. The next question. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured and correct to nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. The first column is length in mm and the second column is number of leaves. 118 to 126, the first column, 127 to 135, 136 to 144 and so on. And the second column is number of leaves, that is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2 and okay. The question is find the median length of the leaves, means the question is to find the median, right? Now for finding the median, the very first question, what do we need to find is we want to find the median length of the leaves, correct? For median, the very first thing you have to check, are the classes continuous? The classes given to you are 118 to 126, 127 to 135 and so on. Are the classes continuous? Let us check. The classes are not continuous. So they are not continuous, right? So if they are not continuous, let us change the data in the continuous form. And in this sum, one hint is also given. The data needs to be converted in the continuous form. Now how to convert discontinuous classes to continuous, we learnt it in the first module. What to do? Look at the classes. The first class 118 to 126 and the second starts from 127. The first one ends at 126, the second one starts from 127. The difference between 126 and 127 is 1. This 1 is divided by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Okay, and what is done with the 0.5? 0.5 is subtracted from the lower limit of every class and 0.5 is added to the upper limit of every class. So what we will do? We will subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. If you subtract 0.5 from the lower limit of the first class is 118. If you subtract 0.5, 118 minus 0.5 becomes 117.5. And if you add 0.5 to the upper limit, 126 plus 0.5 gives you 126.5. Then no need to subtract, because wherever the first ends, the second will start from there. The first ends at 126.5, the second starts from 126.5. So 126.5 to 135.5. The second ends at 135.5, the third will start from 135.5. 135.5 plus to 140. Just go on adding 0.5 to the upper limits thereafter. So as per the hint, you will get these classes 117.5 to 126.5, 126.5 to 135.5 and so on. And the last one will be 171.5 to 180.5. Okay. So this is the way we convert discontinuous classes to continuous. So the first column will be classes, and these classes we will write the continuous ones. Okay. All the continuous classes will write one below the other, and the frequency we get it from the question. So these are the frequencies, and then we find cumulative frequency less than type. Cumulative frequency less than type column, how do we prepare? The first frequency will copy there as it is, that is 3. Then we go on adding it to the next frequency. Whatever result we get in cumulative frequency, we add it to the next frequency. So 3 plus 5 gives you 8, and we write 8 in the cumulative frequency column. 8 plus 9 gives you 17. We write 17 in the cumulative frequency column. 17 plus 12 gives you 29. 29 plus 5 gives you 34. 34 plus 4 gives you 38. And 38 plus 2 gives you 40. So this way we added all the cumulative frequencies. Look at the last cumulative frequency that we got, that is 40. Since the last cumulative frequency is 40 and we added all the frequencies, even in this frequency column, if you add all the frequencies, the total of frequency is going to be 40 only. So the total of frequency is denoted by the small letter n, and the value of n becomes 40. The table is completed. After completing the table, the first thing you have to locate is the median class. And what is the procedure to locate median class? What we will do here, just take the total of the frequency n, divided by 2. What is the value of n we got? 40. 40 divided by 2. 40 if you divide it by 2, you will get 20. Now, what you will do, you will check in this cumulative frequency column. Just check in this cumulative frequency column which value. Now, identify the cumulative frequency which is just greater than or equal to 20. Which value in this cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to 20? Just greater than or equal to 20 is at 29. This 29, whichever class contains this 29 becomes the median class. Okay, this 29 is contained by which class? Okay, that class becomes the median class. Okay, so the median class becomes 144.5 to 153.5. Okay, this becomes the median class, and the 12 is the frequency of the median class. So this 29 is in the class 144.5 to 153.5. So that becomes the median class. It lies in that class 144.5 to 153.5. So therefore, median class is 144.5 to 153.5. Okay. Then this is the CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Okay. So what we get is L is equals to the lower limit of the median class. The lower limit of the median class is 144.5. Width of any class, width we will get by subtracting any two consecutive lower limits. 126.5 minus 117.5, the width is 9. Frequency of the median class, it is 12. Then cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, it is 17. Okay, all the values are written. Now let us use the formula. Median is equals to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F the whole into H. Now let us put all the values that we know. Okay, so median is equals to L. L is how much? 144.5 plus n upon 2. N upon 2 is nothing but 40 upon 2, which we calculated it as 20. So 20 minus CF. CF is 17 upon F. F value is nothing but 12 into H. H value is 9. Okay, now let us calculate the value of this median. So 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 is 3 upon 12 into 9. Okay, let us reduce it. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. So what we have is 144.5 plus 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4, if we divide, we will get 2.25. So what we get is 144.5 plus 2.25, and 144.5 plus 2.25 is nothing but 146.75. So this is the value of median, and this what will be the units, whatever is there in the classes. And the classes, it is millimeters. The length of leaves in millimeters. So median is 146.75 millimeters. So that is the final answer.